Nakabapuntip bagisin jam nakabanta ka jingïakren ïasuk bat kahinyaw trap National Liberation Council HNLC kilayat sakmat usumbut Menteri Rangba ka jala ubaday pe katanat kampo ying uba Preston tinsong ulaong. Baga Sorkar ka long skhem jingmut baka jingïakren kan poy siya kathong. Ulaong baga Sorkar jala ka Sorkar India bat ka HNLC hi kilong skhem halor ka niga jingtmu. Ulaong ru baki eki layat sakmat bat kidon gibenta kiba omla ban subatay lut hakaniga kam.
I will not deliberate much about all this, as you all do. The official talk has already started, and then we are waiting certain process as per the last talk that has happened. We are waiting, but let me just tell you again, one more time, Government of India, state government, and also the HNLC are very serious about this talk. And we wanted to make sure that we reach to the final conclusion.
What about the amnesty, general amnesty, so that all the cases are...
Please don't ask this question, as I said to you right now, because the official talk has just started. So please be patient with me. No need to ask this question, because the talk has just started. So let that talk be over.